Hey everyone, it's Pacey AI here, and welcome back to your daily dose of next level AI news. Today's June 22nd, 2025, and guess what? The future is here. We're diving into the most jaw dropping AI breakthroughs that just hit the scene, from genius teams reinventing tech to AI saving endangered species. We're covering it all. So strap in, hit that like button if you're ready, and let's dive into the latest AI revolution. First up, 16-year-old Pranjali Awasthi just built a $12 million AI startup. Talk about teenage dreams turning into billion-dollar realities. But here's the kicker. June 2025 isn't just about startups. Well, 17 groundbreaking papers dropped this month, covering everything from ultra-efficient AI systems to neurosymbolic brain-computer interfaces. We're talking AI models that learn like humans, energy-saving tech that could power smart cities, and decision-making systems outsmarting even human experts. This isn't your parents' AI, it's the future of tech. Next, Microsoft is using AI to save giraffes. Yep, you read that right. By analyzing drone footage and camera traps, their tools are helping track migration patterns, poaching risks, and even predicting ecosystem changes. Conservationists call it a game changer. But it's not just wildlife. We're also seeing ethical AI take center stage, like the R²MU framework that lets models forget data without losing performance. Privacy meets power in this new era of responsible AI. Finally, Australian researchers are reading minds. Imagine silently thinking words and AI converts them into text at 70% accuracy. No more keyboards, no more voice commands, just pure brain power. And while we're on the edge of sci-fi, Hisense just dropped AI-powered home appliances that adapt to your habits, smart TVs that predict your shows, fridges that plan your meals, and ACs that cool your house before you even sweat. The smart home just got way smarter. And there you have it. AI isn't just advancing, it's transforming everything. From saving giraffes to reading minds, the future is brighter and weirder than we imagined. If you're hyped like this video, share it with fellow AI enthusiasts and hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. Oh, and turn on those notifications. You never know what tomorrow's breakthrough will be. See you in the next vid. And remember, innovation never sleeps.